Angelica, hi for everybody. I love you so much. To you.
To you. To you. I love you too. All right, hey, let's say hi to Mommy.
Hi to Mommy. I want to hug you.
Are we hugging Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Let's give Mommy a kiss. We love you.
And I want to play with her.
To Mommy, you want to play with her?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I want to play with her too. Hold on. Mommy, we're going to play with you now. Me and Angelica. We're going to give you kisses and play with you. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Say I love you.
I love you.
How much?
Too much.
So much.
Too much.
We love you, Mommy.
Oh,
We're hugging and kissing you, Mommy.